Inhale. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Dakshinamurti Prarthana. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Swami Vivekananda Prarthana. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Swamine Tapaharine. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sanghatchadvam Sambhadadvam Sambho Manasi Janata Deva Bhagairata Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Avimantrayevaha Samanena Havishajuhomi Samani Akutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Manaha Yathavastu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. Saptavimshatyadika Ekashatotara Panchasahasratama Kaliyugabdaha Shri Vishwavasunama Samvatsaraha Dakshinayanam Sharad Rutuhu Kartika Masaha Krishna Pakshaha Saptami Titihi Pushya Nakshatram Shubha Yogaha Bhadrakaranam Bauma Vasaraha. Today's date 11th November 2025 Tuesday. Titeshta Shriyamapnoti Varadayushya Vardhanam Nakshatradarate Papam Yoga Droga Nivaranam Karanat Karya Siddhishcha Panchanga Phalamuttamam. Sarvesham Shubhamastu.
Today we will chant the third shloka of Prathamadhyaya of Bhagavad Gita. Pashyaitam Panduputranam आचार्य महतीं चमूं पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं चमूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता Now the whole shloka together. Pashye Hari Om Namas Sabhai Sabhapatibhyascha. So in this shloka, only the first two words we have the word split. Pashya etam. Other words are separate. Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Jamu Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. So here Duryodhana is addressing to the Dronacharya. So he is saying, hey Acharya, see, behold, the huge army, Chamu is the army, So see the huge army of the Panduputra, Pandavas. And who is arranged that, who is arrayed that army? That is Drupada Putra. Drupada is the king, whose daughter was Draupadi and son was Drishtadyumna. So the Drishtadyumna has been arrayed the army for Pandavas. So see that army which has been arrayed by the Drishtadyumna, the Drupada Putra, Tava Shishyena Dhimata, and how he is giving a quality, how the Drishtadyumna is, he is very much intelligent, is the one of the intelligent students of yours, of Drona Acharya. So he has arrayed thus the huge army. So please see that. So in the next shlokas, we can see how the army is being praised by the Kauravas of the Pandavas. In the next shlokas we can see, they will say, the Duryodhana will say that all these are the army which is being protected by the Bhima is enough for them to win the war, and the army which is being protected by us, by Bhishma for us is not so much enough to win the war. So such praises we can see of the opposite army by the Duryodhana. So the here it is the starting of the describing the armies of the both of the sides. So since here we can see how the army are being described, and then how Arjuna is feeling about that we'll see in the next shlokas. Dhanyavad.
Shanti mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu